Hey everyone, here is a demo of the DailySAT admin platform. So what you want to do is when you first go into this platform, currently I'm on localhost, but you will have the actual hosted URL. But when you go on this platform, if you try to navigate to the root directory, right, slash, where the admin panel is, it'll actually redirect you right back into the login a page because you are not logged in. So you want to go ahead and log in. To log in, what you need to do is you need to add in your email. This email needs to be whitelisted by us through our MongoDB database. Hemit V. Patel is. Now, if you do not have an authorized email, for example, let's say john@gmail.com, this is not an authorized email, you'll see the following happen. You'll see that I'll get unauthorized email. Please try or contact DailySat staff for assistance. So you'll see that it won't let me log in if I don't have a whitelisted email. So you want to make sure that you either tell me your email or you tell LJ your email, and then we can go ahead and uh, authorize you. Now, this one is an authorized email, so let's go ahead and hit submit. And it will verify itself and then go ahead and send a brand new generated one-time password to my email. As you can see, it did that. And then if I go into my email, you'll see a new email from dailysat.org. And within here, you'll see this HTML UI, and then you'll see a brand new one-time password. This one-time password is um, valid for 5 minutes, and then after those 5 minutes, it becomes invalid. And also, it's one-time use. So once you use this once to verify your code, then it can't be used again. All right. So if I come back here, I'll add the OTP, and then we're gonna verify this code. So this way, uh, you know, the system knows that you actually own or you have access to hemitvpatel@gmail.com, right? We have to enter the email again so that we can associate the email with the OTP. And as you can see, very quickly, because I'm using Redis, verification has been successful. Now a session has been assigned. So if I go to the route, you can see I'm actually given access right now. And within the root route, excuse me, you will find this page. So you'll have a dashboard page in which you'll see some different information about the DailySat platform. And then you can also go to create question. Here you can create a brand new question, right? And this question can either be of math or reading and writing. If you're in reading and writing, you have these skills, right? And if you're in math, you have these skills. And then you have your explanation. What is your correct answer? So that's based off of the options that you add. So you can just click one and that's your correct answer, right? Everything is in here, and then you can just press submit, and then it will go ahead and create a new question. For create item, I haven't done that yet. The item and the item shop hasn't been released yet, so it doesn't make sense to create the admin portion for that yet. I don't want to waste time right now. So right now, what we have is create question and then the dashboard, which is available. Now, once you're finished, you can either just stay logged in, right? This will keep you logged in for 7 days, right? After 7 days, the session becomes invalid and it's useless, right? It doesn't work anymore. So after the 7 days, you have to go ahead and redo this process again. But let's say if you want to prematurely log out, right? You can do that through this section here. You can just press log out. It will take you to this prompt here, and you can just press sign out. And once you do that, you are now prompted back to the login page. And if you try going back to the initial page, right, which had the dashboard and the create questions, you'll see it'll automatically bring you to the login because you do not have the session. All right. All right, that's it from me. Also, the backend code is completely, it's safeguarded through this code here, as you can see. This middleware runs on the APIs, right? These are the three API routes that are being used by the dashboard and the admin panel, and you can see that if the session is not valid, then it will redirect us back to login. All right, so it's completely safeguarded and secure. All right. We're also employing JWT as well, not for session management or something like that, but actually to send some information so that users can't just send random information. It has to be actually verified by the JWT token, right? And that's done in the OTP verify section. Sorry, in the session right here. As you can see, we're getting the JWT token, and this way users can't just add their email in here and then create a session, right? Because there is a API route to create a new session. So this way they can't just go and just do a postman request to API/session and get a new session, right? They have to actually have a JWT token assigned, and the only way you can do that is through a server action, right? A server action that I have here, right? And that server action, it's not available unless the app explicitly calls on that function. All right. So that's it from me. This is the DailySAT admin panel official demo.